Hello friends, my name is Gajraj Singh and I have bought CA Final SFM lectures of Aditya Jain sir in Google Drive mode. So I have got these books within 1 week of order. So let's start the unboxing. Very good packaging has been done. They have also put the pen in this box also. So here are the books. So total there are 9 volumes in this unboxing. The best part of these books are the whole syllabus is divided into 9 volumes. This is the volume 1 in which Aditya Jain sir has covered security valuations, equity, bond, preference shares, right shares and buyback shares. Very good color combinations has been used in this book and the book is very much colorful. Sir has given the examples of very famous chartered accountants who have achieved very much success in their lives. This is volume 2. I think this is the most thinnest book in this whole box. Sir has written very beautiful motivational quotes in every book. This is volume 3. In this, Sir has covered corporate valuations, economic value added, merger acquisitions and corporate restructuring. The book has been presented in a very clear manner and easy to understand. Volume 4. This is volume 5. Sir has written a quote over here. To be a star, you must shine your own light, follow your own path and don't worry about the darkness, for that is when the stars shine brightest. In volume 5, Sir has covered foreign exchange exposure and risk management, and the next chapter is international financial management. Volume 6. In this, Sir has written कल कल करते करते एक दिन काल आ जाता है. So in every volume, Sir has on the cover page, Sir has written quote. In volume 6, Sir has covered futures, options, currency futures and options, commodity futures, interest rate risk management, interest rate futures, risk management, money market operations and tables. In volume 7, Sir has covered miscellaneous concepts. In volume 8, Sir has covered past year's RTP, past year papers, RTP and MTP questions of all the chapters. And volume 9 is the SFM Chalisa by Aditya Jain sir. In this SFM Chalisa, Sir has written all the formulas chapter wise. So that is the best part of this volume 9. So thank you and all the best for your CA finals exam.